Hello everyone, I am Dr. B. Vinodini, Associate Professor of Computer Science Department. In this video, I am going to explain my experience on journey of SNS. So that is a journey. I am crossover in the SNS journey. I am crossover so many students in my 17 years of experience. Now I am going to explain one of my experience on that SNS journey. There is a group of computer science students, call it as at Priya, Sanjay and Kavita, are moved by a real-time problems. During campus health camp, which was done in our campus, they noticed that many elderly people struggle to monitor their heart rate regularly. So they ask myself, can we build a simple, affordable, wearable tracks with the vital signs and alerts the doctors instantly? So they ask that can we build that particular wearable track for particular elder people? So, but the path from idea to execution feels very challenging job because they lack the structure, guidance, and the clear roadmap. So this is the starting and beginning of their idea. So after that, that team attends the orientation on the SNS framework. So that orientation is mainly they teach the framework and culture of how we can building the foundation and how we can achieve the dream to the particular real world solutions. So they realize the purpose is very clear. So after attending the particular orientation, they came to the they came to know that the realizer purpose is very clear. So the what is the purpose of that project is they have to help elderly patients life healthier. So with the mentorship, they design a process using the design thinking and empathizing with the users and defining the real pain points. So again, after that, they join the spine activities, and that activities balancing the academic with the sports and hobbies, keeping their creativity alive. So this phase, this framework and culture attending orientation program, after that they transforms their mindset from students to the problem solver. After that, the growth and innovations are turning our idea, their idea is turning into the prototypes. After that, they join the innovation club and participate in a GenAI enablement workshop. There is a one workshop in our college, so they are participate in that workshop. They use AI algorithms to predict the irregular heartbeats from sensor data. So the idea evolves into the working AI-based health monitoring wristband that can send alerts to the doctors via an app. So they build the, so they turn their ideas into the prototype. Through the certified talent programs, the each team member develops the cross-domain expertise. For example, I told that there is a three students. The Priya is expertise in the hardware, and Sanjay is expertise in the AI algorithms, and the Kavita is expertise in the UX design. So through the particular certified talent programs, they can learn a particular crossover domain expertise. So after that, they are achieving the goals. With the guidance of the Center of Creativity, the team sets the SMART OKR goals. So that SMART OKR goals, after attending the after the guidance of the particular center team, they are very specific to their product. So what is a specific means? They build the working prototype in the 3 months. After that, they could that goal should be very measurable because they test the accuracy with the 50 users. So that they are measuring that particular 50 users they have to test. After that, they collaborate with the local clinics. So they achieve to move the prototype into the local clinics. So after that, they support the SNS health missions. So there is relevant, they are participate in the particular thing. So after finally they are presenting the project in the annual innovation fair. That is a time bound. Based a particular time, they are presenting the prototype in the annual innovation fair. So finally, they achieve all their goals and win the Best Innovation for Social Impact Award. So through that particular SMART goals achievement, they are win the project and got the Best Innovation for the Social Impact Award. So through that excellence and creation, they achieve the particular product. So finally, the SNS ecosystem is behind the particular system. So what is behind the particular ecosystems means their success is powered by the SNS unique ecosystems. So there is a center for learning and teaching. So that provided the design based learning. So and also there is a skill and career development. That skill and career development improved the presentation and teamwork. And also we have the industry institute partnership cell, so that IAPC cell help them partner with the medical startup for testing, so that IAPC is connect their product in the particular medical startup. So they are start with the medical startup for testing. So then next is a social responsibility cell is connected them with the NGOs supporting their elder care. So these are all the pillars help the particular success of the product. So at SNS, the every center and initiative connects like gears in the machines. So there is a 5 pillars. So that 5 pillars is a center, and that is an initiative that connects the ideas into the implementation, and finally they reach the idea into the societal growth. So they're moving innovation forward. So based through that particular ecosystem, they begin they success the project. After that, and the team refines the product under the SNS Innovation Hub and collaborate with the AI startups. So that their vision is achieved through that particular SNS Innovation Cup, and also the collaborates with that AI startups. Their prototype is a new in pilot testing in a Coimbatore hospital. Their work contributes to the 1000 AI startups mission and aligns with the SNS vision. We are building the entrepreneurial mindset through the design thinking concept. Finally, they now dream of launching their own medtech startup. So this is our vision. That vision is achieved through the particular journey, like that. So what is the? They are first clearly about their purpose, what is the purpose, and what is the where how to do the particular project, and what people is a end user for the particular project. So that journey is start, that idea is comes into the product through the based on the framework and SNS ecosystems. So finally, the transformation is from that idea into the product is came. When started as a classroom idea, it becomes a real world impact project. They now mentor the juniors in the innovation lab, and also teaching them how to apply the empathy and creativity to solve the real problems. So what is the message conveyed in the particular experience is through the design thinking and AI integration, the SNS transforms the simple ideas into the sustainable innovations. So they are shaping the creators who serves both the industry and also the society. So that transformation is that done through the SNS framework and SNS culture. Thank you.